Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Today I thought I would share with you some before and after pictures of what my fireplace looked like before I had it redone. In the recent collab that was hosted by At Home with Zane, I showed my redecoration of the mantle on my fireplace. And a lot of people commented what a beautiful fireplace I had. Well, it wasn't always that way. For 23 years, we lived with it in a different condition, and I absolutely hated what it looked like before. I tried to make the best of it, as you will see, but I have a couple photos I can share with you so you can see what it looked like before we renovated it. So I hope you enjoy this, and I look forward to sharing it with you.
Here's a look at the fireplace before we renovated it. As you can see, it had very ugly fake rocks that had been stained black over the years by smoke coming out of it, because it was a wood-burning fireplace that we converted to gas. I tried to make it tie in with the rest of the decor by painting the mantle red. It was a really ugly dark brown color before I painted it. And you can see it extends all the way across the wall behind the chest that is holding the TV. As I said, it was a wood-burning fireplace that we converted to gas. Here's a closer look at how it extends behind the TV cabinet. You may have noticed I moved that cabinet into our entryway once we remodeled the fireplace. Here's what the fireplace looked like as it was in process. You can see our old parquet wood flooring and then the wall to the right that they repaired after they removed all of those fake stones. And you can see we still have to put the wall outlet plate back on it. And here's how my fireplace looks today, once the wall has been all repaired, and our new travertine flooring, which matches the flooring we had previously installed in our kitchen.
So that was the before and after of what my fireplace used to look like and what it looks like now. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel and you like this sort of video, I hope you'll consider subscribing. If you'd like to see more before and after type videos and pictures, and if you'd like to see projects as I work on them in the future, please let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for tuning in today, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye-bye.